You are not audible, bro.
వాయిస్ అసలే బ్రో వాయిస్.
Okay. Now, so now audible, right?
నవ్ ఓకే.
Yeah.
వాయిస్ ఆడిబుల్.
Yeah. So actually, basically, we'll discuss with first if else, then we'll go switch case, then we have a for loop and for off loop and for in loop. Okay. First, we'll discuss with if else. So basically, if else will be used for example, we have a two cases. For example, we have a age is greater than 20. For example, uh, the employee must qualify the interview, then only they will take it, otherwise they will not take it. These condition also we can write inside the if else. Okay, I'm giving you a very small example. Like, let number equal to 10, I'm assigning. So if the number is, if for example I'm giving number is positive, means greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0, then in alert you can add it some message like the number is positive. Okay, the number is positive. Okay, positive I'm giving. And else the number is, just copy this else condition. So alert, then you can paste here. Number is positive, just give the semicolons, then so for example the number is 0. For example, the number is not sure. The number is not sure. Okay, not sure means here we cannot decide if it is negative or 0. Okay, in that case we can write if else. Okay, so I will, let me refresh this one. Just go here, copy the path, and I added in index.js, right? In HTML you need to change here. Okay, whatever file we are using, just we need to add it. Okay, so go to the file and copy the path. I will go here and paste here, enter. Okay, the number is, see, alert is coming, the number is positive. Okay, I'm giving here number is positive, right? That's why it is giving number is positive. For example, if I give -5, So minus 5, then it will come under else case. It will check here. Okay, it will come step by step. Actually, the number is minus 5, means minus 5 is greater than 0. No, it will not go inside this alert case. Now it will go inside and this message will be print. Now I am giving minus 5, right? So now I am now refreshing now. So the number is not sure. This is else case is coming. Okay, so you click on OK, and you can see here I'm giving number minus 5. That's why it is coming inside this one. For example, if else, if we have, for example, like this, so we can write like this, and else enter in number is less than 0. Number is less than 0. The number is negative. Okay, I'm giving negative. The number is negative. Just I'm giving minus v, and else. So if else if else if else means, so if this condition is not possible, then it will check into this condition. If both the condition is not possible, then it will comes under this case. Okay, this is about if else. Okay, this is just I'm giving here the number is 0. Okay, the number is 0. Okay, just I'm giving positive, negative, I'm changing here number. Okay, now it will print, for example, first time it will print if the let number equal to 5 I given, then it will print here only and it will come out. Okay, let's see, it will print only positive number. Okay, the number is positive. Okay, if I refresh here, the number is positive is coming. Okay, if I give here minus, then it will not check this one. Come under this one. The number is less than 5, right? The number is less than 0. So this message will be print in alert. So now check it. Go to the browser, refresh it. The number is negative. Okay, so now the number is negative. For example, the number is 0. Then number is 0 means it will check first condition. It is not 0 is greater than is 0, not correct, right? 0, it will check here all the conditions and directly it will come, it will print. Now the number is 0. This case will be print. Now go to the browser, refresh it. The number is 0 is coming. Okay, that is the use of if else if. For example, we have only two cases. In that case, we can use if else. If multiple cases is there, in that case we can use if else if, so many else if also we can use it. Later at the end we need to add one else case. Okay, this is about if else. Okay, let me discuss one more is ternary operator. Ternary operator. Ternary operator means, so for example, for example, I'm assigning our age. For example, age is I'm assigning to 32 years, for example. Okay, so the ternary condition is like if else only, but it is an only single line syntax. Okay, we don't have any multiple lines like this. We do directly we have if the age is greater than for example greater than 18, greater than 18, then question mark, you can add it in your message. It will print, you can add alert symbol here, alert. The age is greater than 18. So just I'm writing here message. You can write any message. Okay, so just you are, for example, just you can add you are eligible for Sarpanch voting. Okay, this is one case. And colon, and otherwise just copy this alert. I'll add it, paste here. Now you are just, you can add here, you are not eligible for sarpanch voting. Okay, just I am adding here, just simply I'm adding. Okay, so now how, what will the print actually, the age, now age it will check. The age is 32 is greater than 18, right? So now it will print this condition, this message. Okay, if the age is, for example, I add the age 12. Okay, now age will come here, a 12 is greater than 18, no, right? So this condition will not print. Now it will print, you are not eligible for sarpanch voting. This message will be print. Now I will add here 12, right? So just go to the browser and refresh it. Time being, you can comment this one. Okay, so I'm explaining now ternary operator. Okay, let me refresh. Now it will print, you are not eligible. So you are not eligible for sarpanch voting. Okay, this is the shortest syntax of if else. Okay, in one line we can write this one. Okay, this is about ternary operator. Okay, if I give here 30, the 50, 42, then now it will print this case. Here the age will check here. The age is 42 is greater than 18. Then it will print this case. Like you are eligible for sarpanch voting. It will not print this one. Okay. So yeah, 42 means eligible, right? So we can see now in a alert message we can see you are eligible for sarpanch voting. Okay. So in that case, very small, shortest syntax, we can write this condition. Okay. So this is about, for example, you can write multiple cases, not only this single thing. You can write multiple ways. Like the, for example, you can give this is 42 as an even number. Here, check it. Here you can write one condition. Like just copy this one. So just copy. Uh, just copy and you check the even number and odd number. Okay, you can give some even or not this number. So even you need to write here condition. Okay, even means even. Even how will you know the even given number is? First you need to give, this is a number is 42. The number you can give here, number is divided by, I'm giving here, number is divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, so if you divide with 2, then only our number is even, right? So you can write here our number is even. If it is correctly divisible by 2, then we'll get to 0, right? That time we can add this is an even. Okay, just copy this message and paste here. I'm giving one more example of ternary operator, that's it. There is nothing much. This is an odd. Okay, you can add it odd. So now it will check. The number is come here and number is 42 is divided by 2. It will get 0 or not, it will check. If it is 0, then our number is even. Otherwise, the number is odd. Now 42 is even or odd. So 42 is an even number. Okay, you can multiply, you can divide with 2, you will get remainder as 0. So given number is even, we need to get it. So just this in alert message, our number is even, will get. Keep on refresh here. Okay, so we need to, so first of all we need to comment this one. If you want to, you just observe, right? This is also getting, so just comment this one. Timing you can comment. Okay, I will go to the browser and refresh. our number is even is getting. Okay, so that is the use case of single line and single line. Instead of writing if else, you can write in single line. That is the use of ternary operator. Okay, if it is, for example, if it is 43, 43 is odd number, so it will come here, it will check divided by 2, then it is not come as 0. Okay, some reminder will be there, right? So it will get reminder as 1. So then this condition, this condition, this alert message is not print, it will print this case. Okay, now if you go to the browser, refresh it, odd, our number is will show odd number. Okay, our number is odd. Okay, that is a use case of ternary operator. Okay, so let me discuss switch case now. Switch case. Switch case. Switch, actually switch case, switch statements are, for example, we have for example days. Okay, days of the week. For example, we have so many days, right? Let I'm assigning day equal to 3. Okay, I'm giving example of switch case. Okay, switch case here 3, and let me assign the day name. Day name time being is like this, and switch case, just we have a switch. Inside the switch, so we need to pass the day. Okay, so we need to pass the day, and uh, enter it, just enter it, and first case 1, I will write case 1, case 1, case 1, enter case 1. What we are given a variable, the day name, right? The day name, the day name equal to, first one will give Sunday. Okay, Sunday, and we need to give break statement. Okay, then only this is a valid. We'll copy this entire thing, just copy, enter, copy, enter, copy, enter, copy, enter. You will change the number. I'm changing the number. 2, this is Sunday, Monday, and this is 3, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, this is 4, this is Wednesday, and this is 5, Thursday, and this is 6 is Friday. Okay, and this is 7 will give Saturday. Okay, now this is break, and default is, if there is no, we given, for example, we have given a different number, then in that case we can give default. Okay, like we have an else, right? So we can give default case. So enter day name equal to, so invalid day I will write, invalid day. Okay, so this is about entire switch case. Okay, I will add here, so either otherwise I will add alert, then we can see just in the alert message, day name. Okay, so now see, this is the switch case. The day 3, day equal to 3 means it will print Tuesday. Okay, in our console, our alert pop-up will print is our day name as Tuesday. This message we need to print. Okay, now let me refresh the browser. Okay, so now see, Tuesday is coming. Okay, if you see here, this is the Tuesday. Okay, if you keep on change here the day. Okay, for example, I am writing 10. We don't have 10 days, right? in a week, we have day only 1 to 7 only. We don't have anything. 7, 10. This is an just the example of 1 week. Okay, in 1 week we don't have an day as 10. Okay, that's why it will shows as now invalid day. Okay, if you refresh the browser, we need to show invalid day. If you give the 10, 20 more than 7, it will give invalid day. Okay, so click on OK. We'll go here and keep on change it. If you want 7 means it need to print Saturday. This day need to print. Okay, that is about switch case. Okay, so let me discuss next one is for loop. So how we need to print some print number from 1 to 100 or 1 to 10. In that case, we can use this for loop actually. Okay, so I will comment this switch case. Maybe switch case also we are covered. Now for loop. For loop. For loop I am writing. For example, I am printing let I equal to 0, I less than or equal to, I'm printing 10 numbers. Okay, I plus plus keep on increase. Okay, then I will print in console now. Console dot log of I. Okay, now this is about for loop, right? For loop means we need, for example, we need to print 1 to 10, then we can use this one. Okay, so now let me refresh that, and we need, and I am writing here console, right? We need to check in our dev tools. Okay, right click and inspect it, go to the console and refresh the browser. Now you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Okay, this is about for loop. Loop means it will repeat how many times we need, that many times we can repeat. For example, 100 times is needed, go to the browser, refresh it, that's it, it will print 100 numbers. Okay, 100 times it will repeat. That is the use case of for loop. Okay, how it is how it is happened means, just go to the browser. If you want step by step means, I will give small number here instead of 100. I will give some 3 number. Okay, how it is working means I will show you. Okay, just click on this one. Okay, now click on breakpoint. Okay, refresh it. Now breakpoint is coming. Okay, just click on this one. First of all, I equal to 0, it will check here I is less than 3 or not. I equal to 0 is less than 3 or not, it will check. Okay, and it will go here in console, it will print 0 value first. Okay, first it will check. Now it is checking here, the and that blinking mark is coming, right? It will checking now. So 0 is less than 3, so now it will go inside and it will print. So now see, so inside it is going. Next step it will go I plus plus, it will keep on increase. Again it will check here. Okay, now first time it will print 0 now. So it will printing 0. If you go to the console, see, it 0 is printing. Okay, again the value is now, it will increase. Now value here is increasing. I plus plus means it will increase to 1 value. Now 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is less than 3, right? Again here checking it. So now it will go here and it will print now. Now time being we have 0, right? So if you click on next step, now it will print 1. If you go here 0 and 1. Okay, now like this the keep on, it will happen 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is about for loop. So the repeated cases we can use for loop. Okay, so we have for in loop. For example, I'm just this is about for loop, and we have for in loop. for in loop. Just I'm commenting this one. So for example, we have one object. Let person equal to, I'm giving some name, name property. I'm giving some example, something name I'm given, and age I will give something around something I'm giving. Some number is giving. City I'm giving. Some city let it be. So this is some of the properties I'm giving. So we need to use in for in loop. Okay, how we are using for in loop means just for let I'm giving some key in person. Okay, this is an object. We are passing in and we need to print it. Okay, so here I'm printing. So one we'll write console dot log of in backticks we can write dollar symbol. We can access so many ways, right? Person dot key, we can write like this also. Okay, and I yesterday I discussed in object where and we can write like this also, and we can write key. Okay, like this also. Okay, so we are now, if you loop like this, you will get all the keys like name, age, city, all these things we are getting into the key. Okay, so this is about just no, we don't have any like this we need to access, right? So go to the browser. So now go to the browser. This okay. I will remove this one. The breakpoint is coming. Okay. Now go to the console. Bhaskar 32 and Hyderabad is coming. Okay. This is about in for in loop what we are getting. These values we are getting. Okay. Okay. If I use here off for in and for off, I'm just I will mention here only for in loop and for off loop, two loops we can discuss here. So you can change here in and off, then you will get some clarification. Okay, go to the browser, refresh it. Now person is not defined. Now person is not a function is getting. Okay, so now what is the for loop it is saying. So we have this key. So we are just don't access like this. It is saying like this. So just you use only key. Don't use person of key. Okay. Don't use like this. Just use key. So entire our content is coming like this. Okay. So do in for in loop what I did, person of key I written. Now just you can write key only, then only we can access all the values. Okay, I will go to the browser. I will cut it, refresh it. Okay, something is missing. So let person, yeah, so person. Okay, in person name ID string we are getting inside the key. I will give some a. So I will, instead of this entire thing, no need, right? I will give some directly a. Okay, that is the case, I think. Okay, now refresh it. Sorry, I will clear this one. It is saving or not? Person is not a iterable. Okay, so now for of loop is what I say in for of loop we need to use array. Okay, this person object is not understanding. Okay, now we need to use array, then only it will understand. Okay, I will assign let just I'm giving prs person In string I'm giving. So where we can use this for up and for in loop means in arrays we can use for up loop. In objects we can use, just I'm giving here a b c. We need to print here a b c values. Okay, go to the browser, refresh it. So person is not defining. Okay, yeah, now we need to pass this value. Okay, so you keep on change here. Now it will come a inside that all the values will come. Yeah, now see a b c you will print. If you change here 1 2 3, so this will print now. Go to the browser, A1, B2, C3. Okay, this is about. So now you understood, right? How we are using the for loop and for off loop. For loop is used for in loop is used in objects, and for off loop is used for the arrays. Okay, to accessing the elements we can use for off loop in arrays, and in objects we can use for in. Okay, that is the use cases. So this is about entire our for in for off, and mainly we are using these use cases. Okay, uh, you we for example you need any examples means we'll discuss now. Where we will discuss means, so for example user enters some form, so then we can see the password, the username must be at least 5 characters or not. In that case also we can see the by using with if else, or so we can like this only. We have so many examples actually. In real time we can use like this only. Okay, this is about all the loops. Okay, stop this one.